So, hey everyone, Maruf here, and right now I am in somewhere, but I have to record this that today, after 1 week, maybe we will gonna start about the Python series, and just now we have started about the Java and everything. I mean, right now whatever you are seeing, these are the very basics. You got to know is in every language, whatever the if else condition statements comments and the first program in Java, everything is written, right? But after that the main program will start. We're gonna talk about everything. Maybe it the all the methods we're gonna talk about that. Apart from methods, there are so many things we're gonna cover in this course. But in this video, I am not going to talk about more about the Java. This video is all about the Python. Why? Because what I realize that in this generation, or what we can say right now, whatever we are facing, Python is really needed because we know AI is everywhere, right? People are saying AI is booming, but we have to know that all the base, all the source of this AI is nothing but Python. If you have strong idea in Python, then there will be a whatever the Gen AI, whatever the ML, everything it will be a very smooth for you. And for that, what I feel like, no matter in what condition, maybe nowadays people who are there are some people in my life I've ever experienced. Some of my friends have, they easily can say whatever you are doing, bro, what you are doing, it can easily the AI will kill your job. But whatever AI, how much AI will come, maybe it Gemini, from the Gemini chat GPT to till the Claude, or the, I mean, each and every single AI is booming. But the machines, the the background whatever the AI is working, it's all about the Python. And to make that kind of something, chat GPT machine, or that you can use OpenAI, that open source API. Okay, using that API you can make something like that chat GPT. Okay, we'll cover each and every project. There are a lot of interesting project we're gonna cover, and from the Python, from, and this course will be designed in a way that from the teacher, class 6 right now, you can know, any of you have idea about the ICSE board. The ICSE board is giving the Python idea from the class 6. So the course is designed in that way, from the class 6 students to till job ready student will get the idea. As the all the lectures, all the courses, this course, there is some USP, जो USP मैं इस कोर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो करूँगा, एंड दैट इज़ नथिंग बट कि आप लोगों को मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा कि बहुत बड़ा कह सकते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा टॉप लेवल का एडुकेटर हूँ, बट व्हाट आई कैन मेक श्योर दैट कि अगर ऐसे बंदे कोई हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्राई करने के बाद कोडिंग छोड़ दिया है, तो उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी होने वाली है. एंड forget about the background noise, forget about that, whatever the noise you are getting, whatever the background you are getting. Right now I am in Bangalore airport, and many of you can recognize me. But मैं पिछले 6 महीने से या मोर देन दैट मैं कंटिन्यूसली वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ, एंड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ आई हैव समथिंग विच आई हैव प्रॉमिस्ड माई सेल्फ कि अगर कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं अपना सारा का सारा डेडिकेशन आपको देने वाला हूँ. एंड डेडिकेशन इस वजह से होगा कि आपको एक भी दिन ऐसा मिस नहीं जाएगा जहाँ पे आप लोगों को लेक्चर नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो इन रिटर्न आई वांट ओनली वन थिंग फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, कि यू हैव टू प्रॉमिस मी कि भैया फ्रॉम नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग द कोर्स. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ, 2 दिन बाद स्टार्ट कर लो, 1 हफ्ते बाद स्टार्ट कर लो, लेकिन जब भी स्टार्ट करना कंसिस्टेंसी ज़रूर से ज़रूर रखना. मैंने मेरे लाइफ में जो भी चीज़ फॉलो किया है ना, मतलब मेरे लाइफ में जो भी मुझे प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, मैं क्लियरली ये बता सकता हूँ, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मुझे आता नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मुझे कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना सही से नहीं आया था, तो मुझे कुछ जो रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रही थी. द पॉइंट आई हैव स्टार्टेड द कंसिस्टेंसी, आई एम गेटिंग द रिजल्ट. There are a lot of things in this course I am going to share, but for now, this is enough. And please tell me how many of you are excited to learn this Python program, and how many you are excited to learn the Python program based on the theory. Some of you are very interested in the theory based learning, some of you are interested in the project based learning. Also, I just want to know which year you are learning right now. I mean, which year of college you are right now, or you are in schools, because I got to know that there are some of the people, some of the students are also watching from non-tech background. Along with that, there are some students who are from school students, they are right, PU college or high school students are there. So I just want to know, please comment in down in the comment box from where you are. Just let me know in the comment box. मिलता है किसी और एक नई वीडियो में, तक बाय, सी या, हैव अ गुड डे.